Hi guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can sell on Temu. It is very easy and very simple. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to Temu.com, then you're going to see the platform. So Temu is a various marketplace that will allow sellers to sell their products into a very large marketplace that will have millions of people seeing and shopping all around the world. So if you want to make profits from this platform, you need to be a seller on it. And from here, how we can do that, you're going simply to head over the end of the section or the website. You're going to see here the informations about the platform. So we are going to head over the help section. Then we are going to seek until we see here partner with Temu. Previously, it was named Sell with Temu or Sell on Temu. So we are going to click on that. And here we are going to see the partnering page. So before setting up anything for sales, we need to contact first the Temu team. So how we can do that? Before setting up anything or sending any email to the team, which is going to be here for merchandise partner, you're going to see the first thing, the code of conduct or code of conduct here. You're going to read those, and then you're going to see the list of the prohibited products. So you are not going to set up any product that is going to be prohibited or will decrease your chances of being accepted within the team. So right there, we are going to click on the email, which is merchandise@temu.com, and you are going to start creating or writing the right email for them. If you don't know how you can write the correct email for them, or you fear that your email will not be very legit for the team to read, you can get the help of the ChatGPT or any AI chat that you want. For example, I am here on ChatGPT, so we are going to write a message to ChatGPT right there by saying, write me an email for Temu in order, for example, order for me, like that, to be a seller, accepted as a seller. Then you are going to get the prompt of the ChatGPT. We are going to get the subject, and here we are going to see the multiple composition of the email. So you need simply right there to get that email or that example, copy and paste it. Maybe you need to change that some comportment. As you can see here, briefly mention what products you sell or your niche. Also, you can go ahead and rewrite right there some of the phrases so they will not detect that it is a generated email, and that would be a plus for you. So here we have also another suggestion, which is joining the Pin Duo, and this is the mother company of Temu. And how you can join this Pin Duo platform, it is very easy. So you are going simply to head over the contact us right there at the end or the footer of the website. Then you are going to send them another email, which is going to be here your key to join them. So it is going to be here holding investor relations, and here we're going to copy paste this email, get a chat GPT email, or if you know how you can write a professional email, so go ahead and do that. Present your brand or the products that you are going to sell. You need a very good cover letter to contact this big company right there. And I have to mention that you need to get your business documents ready. So, in the most of the cases, the business that you are going to run should be in their mainland China or Hong Kong. So, you are going to make sure that you are going to invest right there and set up these kind of things, because the manufacturers are going to be or are obliged to be in the China or the Hong Kong region. So make sure that you have these two criterias. and or one of the two criterias, and after that you are going to get the approval and start selling on a Pinduoduo. Not Pinduoduo, but you're going to get the account on a team right there as a seller. You're going to get a different platform, set up your product, and make your team right there, add the products descriptions and pricing point, and etc. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.